This IV vertical instant heating purified drinking business machine is an efficient water purification device specially designed for the business environment. It combines advanced reverse osmosis technology and instant heating function to provide convenient and fast direct drinking water solutions for enterprise users. This business direct drinking machine adopts a 4-level fine filtration system to ensure that the water quality reaches the standard of bottled water in supermarkets. It is equipped with a touch LED large screen display, allowing users to have a clear understanding of the running status of the machine at a glance. In addition, this model also has an adjustable water volume function, providing different water output options such as 250 milliliters, 500 milliliters, and 750 milliliters to meet the drinking water needs of different users. It also has multi-level, commonly used water temperature settings, including 100°C boiling water, 85°C, 65°C, 45°C, and room temperature water. Whether it is for making tea, brewing coffee, or direct drinking, it can be done with one key, intelligent functions such as TDS water quality monitoring, water shortage. Alarm and child lock protection provide additional safety guarantees for users.